Welcome to ProfitMailrr. These are the training videos. We're going to start with an overview of the whole interface and what the program does at the most basic level. So once you log in, you're going to come to the dashboard here where you can manage your contacts, you can manage your campaigns, your modules and APIs, track all your progress, all your charts will be here with all your data, your contacts, your unsubs, your forwards, confirmed contacts, bounces, all that information, your recently edited campaigns that have been scheduled, sent, or archived. You'll be able to access your campaigns up here as well, your users, user groups, global settings, log out. Let's hop over to the main navigation. The dashboard we're at right now, contact lists. You have view contact list, create a contact list, view custom fields, process bounced emails, and view segments. Under the contacts themselves, you can view all contacts, search the contacts, add a contact, import contacts from a file, export contacts to a file, remove contacts, email suppression lists, suppress an email or domain. Email campaigns. You can view the ones that you have. You can create a new one. You can send one you've already created. Manage the images that you have uploaded to the server. You can view split tests that have been done. You can manage your dynamic content tags and view your scheduled email queue. Under autoresponders, you can view the autoresponders you have. You can create a new one. You can view the triggers that cause those autoresponders to kick in. There's an extensive statistic area. Email campaigns, split tests, autoresponders, trigger statistics, contact lists, and user account statistics. Then we move into our templates. There are dozens of templates that come with this. You can view the built-in email templates here. You can create a custom template. You can create you can look at the custom email templates that you have created. And then the website forms. You can view the forms that you have created, or you can create a new one. And then at the bottom there, we have our support link. All right, so that is the main interface, the overview of ProfitMailrr. So in this one, we're going to take a look at the email campaign section of the main navigation. All this other stuff we've been doing is just precursor to the actual sending of emails. And this is where the real power of ProfitMailrr is, under the email campaigns here. So the first thing we do is we can view our email campaigns. We don't have any, right? Because this is a fresh account. So we're going to look at creating an email campaign. And we're going to name it. We're going to say, is it HTML and text, or what are we doing here? And what template we're going to use. Like I said, there are dozens of templates in this. Which templates you want to use. Look how long this list goes on. We're not done yet. We're about 70% done. There we go, 80%. There we go. So these are all the templates that are built in, right? So you can even look at get a preview here of what the template looks like and take you through to create that email campaign. All right. Next thing you can do is then here you can send it. So once you've created the whole email campaign, we don't have any in here, but then you can send it right from this screen here when it's ready to go. You can then look at your images that you're using. So maybe you have a logo you use, maybe it's a product box or something like that. You can upload the image and a window will pop up where you can choose the image off of your computer and then upload it into your ProfitMailrr. You can view split tests that you have created. So a split test is where you send a percentage of your email, maybe a particular subject or a particular content to a type of email to one part of your group of your email list, and you send another type of email or subject to another group, and then you see which one works better. And then you mail the full list to that one. So you do a small percentage based on the number you have, and you send it out just to see which types of email subjects or timing. You can do all kinds of different types of split tests, and you'll be able to manage those right in here. Now, dynamic content tags is another very powerful feature of ProfitMailrr. A lot of email applications, email platforms will allow you to simply put in first name, this or last name, or email address. Those tags are rather common in autoresponders. But ProfitMailrr will allow you to create your own types of tags based on your content and your information. So if you create a field of your users who bought a particular book from you or piece of jewelry or downloaded a piece of software, you can put in there, hey, thanks for downloading, fill in the blank. Thanks for purchasing this item. whatever item it was that they purchased. Those can be your dynamic content tags. This video, we're looking at what are the templates, dozens of templates. I'm going to start at the bottom of this list here, view the built-in email templates. So when we go into here, we get a peek at what has been put together for you that is included with your purchase and your upgrades. All of these pre-configured templates, top-notch, professional, in all kinds of categories, ready for you to utilize to kind of, look at us, we're like halfway through. For you to utilize to make contact and connect with your email list to help them know, like, and trust you even more. All right, so those are all of them. You can click on a particular one and see a larger preview of it. As it pops up, there it is. If you want to, you can click on view in your browser. Now notice down here, you have your information that is set up by the product so that you can put your information without having to type it every time. It says this message was intended for so-and-so, and you have received this message because you are subscribed to the list. Here's how they can unsubscribe. Again, this is mandated by the U.S. CAN spam laws. To contact us, you can email here, and here'll be your name and address that you put in earlier. All that information is merged into these templates automatically, right? Your company address, your description about your company, you can put all that information in there when you create your email. And back in our list of them, you see all of them that are in here that you can take a look at. Now let's go back to our list on the left side. And we say we viewed the built-in email templates, and we can also create a custom template. So we can start with one of theirs, right? We can say we're going to take this basic template, and we're going to call this the test one. And then there it is. There's the basic. And we're going to say next. And then we can adjust the HTML, the dynamic content, the percent is the dynamic content. There's all the adjustments you can make. Say you like this template, but you don't like the colors. You can change all that. You don't like the fonts. You don't like the wording of the template. All that can be customized here in the create a custom email template. So this is using the WYSIWYG editor below. What you see is what you get. You can upload a file if you already have one. You can import a file from a website. All these things are available for you to use. Your dynamic content options are here as well that you can add. Here's all the different dynamic content that you can create. All right, so those are the templates, and then you can go and look at your custom email templates that you have created. Ta-da! All right, so that is the templates section of the main navigation of ProfitMailrr.